Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura 8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we basically had to replace the water pump and the membrane, the one that you see right there of the water pump. And yeah, that's basically all we did, and that's basically what this machine just needed. So right now it's working perfectly fine, it's extracting coffee better, and it's just, yeah, working good. $45 millimeters, is that 2 ounces? 1 ounce? If it stops right there, that would be an ounce. 2 ounces. Hot water working perfectly fine as well, having good stream and good temperature. We're just gonna use real quick the portion of milk. We don't have the adapter unfortunately, so we're just gonna release some steam coming out through there. So it's gonna take a little bit to warm up, and there you have it, working perfectly fine, having good pressure and excellent temperature. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.